What is that noise?
I don't know, Isaiah. I gotta see when we get home. I know it's not the muffler.
Yeah, it was. We were on our way to get water, and our car just started blocking up all the brakes.
I think that clanging was the muffler.
Yeah, the
I
back
don't-
brake on the right-hand
I don't
side
think it's
locked
the
up.
muffler.
We went down to Wendy's and pulled in there and turned around, come back. We're on our way back home.
I just pushed the emergency brake down and pushed it back up.
All right, Luke is there. All right. Yeah, our back tire blocked up. Well, I'll have Brian call you when we get home. Or come over, he can tell you what happened. All right.
I can't believe you have
Bye.
done this.
Cops.
Well,
Hope it's nothing serious.
No.
I hope not either.
No, brakes and everything's working too good, so that's what I said.
I don't like that thumping, no.
I don't either. As long as we make it home safely, as long as we make it home safely, I don't really care what it is.
Robert's gonna walk over.
Yeah. I'm scared that it's something serious.
I hope not, Bug.
I
Don't
hope.
say that.
No, I'm
There's
scared.
nothing wrong with the car, Buggy. If there's anything wrong with the car, it would have done it by now, Bug.
Mints.
Okay, laptop for tonight. Looking good for today.
Yeah, but it wouldn't lock up like that.
That's what the emergency brake was on there. I told you. As soon as I pushed down and released the emergency brake, it took off. You don't even hear it clanging that loud now. I think it's just the muffler, the tailpipe banging. I'm gonna have to get a coat hanging and wire the damn thing up. You don't even hear it that loud now.
Luke's at the house.
Yeah, that's what I said. You don't even hear it that loud now.
That damn squeak scared the fuck out of me.
That's because the emergency brake. That's a bad place to put an emergency brake pedal. Because every time I get it out, I hit that fucker every time.
What's a bad place? Where did they put it?
He probably told the drill sergeant he had to take off because one of his tenants didn't have no water. He's not even doing it now.
Yeah, it is. I can hear on my side.
Like I said, it's just the tailpipe.
I can barely hear it now.
Rob,
You can barely hear it now.
yeah, Robert looked underneath him by that. It's the tailpipe.
Hey, Grandpa, that pipe that's at the bottom,
Yeah,
that pipe that pops out the smoke, is that supposed to be leaning down or no?
No,
that's
It's
what I
not
said.
leaning down, but it's kind of down, but it looks like it's supposed to be like that.
That's what I said to you.